Hi everybody, thanks for working with me today. We're going to do a little math activity where I'm going to ask you to look at a collection of dots. I'm going to flash it up and take it off. And I'm going to do that because I don't want you to count the dots. So I want you to figure out how many there are without counting. Can everybody see this screen? Are you ready? All right, so just all together at first, how many dots did we see? 7. There were 7 dots. So who would like to tell me how they saw or where they saw the 7? Let me put them back on the screen in case we want to refer back to them. Yeah, do you want to go first?
So I saw 3 on the outside, and I was like, oh, that's 6. And then the one in the middle would be the 7th one.
Okay, what's your name?
Bahar.
So Bahar, did you see it like this?
Yes.
Great, thank you. Yeah.
I saw 3 dots, and then I saw that center dot, and so my brain kind of went, what? Because I was thinking about like the outside, kind of like Bahar was thinking. So then I did my really quickly to try and think about it all together, and so I just counted like all of the outside like in pairs.
Okay.
And then I counted the 1.
So these pairs 2, 2, and 2. So I'm going to say you saw it kind of like this.
Yeah.
Is that right? Yeah.
Okay, so I saw kind of like a row of 2, a row of 3, and then a row of 2.
Okay, great. What's your name?
Ellie.
Ellie?
E-L-L-I-E.
E-L-L-I-E. So you saw Ellie as 2, 3, and 2. Great. Yes.
I saw it as lots of triangles.
Okay. Is this one of them?
Yeah. That's one, and then,
This one?
yeah, and then, yeah, I think you get it.
Great. All right. So you, Jamie, you saw it like as a triangle here, as a triangle here, and a triangle like that. Thank you. Yeah.
I saw it as a trapezoid on top and then 2 on the bottom.
Okay. So is it like this, Anisha? This? Great. Thank you. Sophia?
I saw 2 diamonds with the middle one overlapping.
Okay.
But yeah.
Is it like this?
Yes.
Thanks. Yeah.
I saw 2 dots on top and then 3 in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
I saw the shape get smaller.
Uh-huh.
So then I was thinking, okay, it's basically symmetrical. So then there was another 2 dots on the bottom.
Okay. So you saw it a little bit like this, but your thinking of the way you went through it was different. So that's important and different. So you saw these, and then kind of later you realized that was also the bottom. Great. Yeah.
I saw it as 5 dots in the center and then 2 dots on the outside.
Okay. So 5 dots in the center and 2 on the outside. You're going to help me out with this.
So there's like a square of 4 dots and then 1 dot inside that square.
This square.
Yeah, and then there's 1 inside and then there's the 2 on the outside.
Okay, great. That's not very square, but we'll pretend. And a dot there, like that. Great. Did anybody see it differently to this, or can anybody see it differently now?
I can see it as like if you were to cut it down the center diagonally.
Uh-huh.
There's 2 on each side and
Uh-huh.
3 on the middle.
And is the diagonal you're seeing this one?
Yeah.
What was your name again?
Ellie.
Ellie, that's right. Ellie. So Ellie also saw it in like that?
Yeah.
Did anybody see it differently, Sophia?
So I just saw like the outline of the
Mhm.
and I saw, I knew it was like symmetrical.
Mm-hmm.
I just did that thing and then I copied it, so 3 times 2 is 6 and then plus 1 is 6 on the top in the middle. So pretty much the same thing that Bahar did.
Like this,
Yeah.
but then because of the symmetry you flipped it over.
Flipped it over.
So it looks the same, but your thinking about it is a little different. So I'm going to do it like that. Fantastic. Does anybody have a different way of seeing it? Yeah, Charlotte.
I see it as dots going down the center and then dots on the outside.
Okay. So rewind a bit for me. Dot,
So it's
start again. Dots down the center.
Dots down the center, like
Mhm.
those 2 lines, and then there's dots on the outside.
Okay, so this is the center, and these are the dots down the side. Great. All right, so this is kind of the center dot.
Yeah.
Is that right? And then
There's lines, and then there's dots on the outside.
those. That's it? Great, thank you. So thanks everybody for doing this with me. The reason I wanted you to see this is math is such an open, visual, creative subject, and you can see here there were so many different ways that people saw just a collection of 7 dots. And I think that's a lovely thing about math. A lot of people think math just has one way of doing it and one solution, but really everything, even just the numbers in math, can be seen in so many different ways, and I think that's really lovely. So thanks very much for working with me.